Alright, so today's plan is to replace the shift boot. This one's a little wore out, kind of dirty. Got a new carbon fiber style vinyl one to kind of match the trim. Got my little crowbar here. I even have an extra set because I have extras of everything for this car, just to get a good idea of where the clips are. Alright, let's get started. Off. Nuts off. Color off. Kind of gross in there. Okay, got the clips. Looks like everybody's intact, surprisingly. That. Looks like I'm going to have to disconnect the heated seats. Okay, so I wanted to get mine completely out, so I disconnected the heated seat control. And that was pretty easy. You just mash this little button right. Mash this button right here and pull. I'll do the other side. Okay, got that out. I got the old one out. Looks like I just gotta take a regular screwdriver to these points here. And it looks like previous owner, they may have... Looks like they just kind of cut it and poked it through. But I think the vinyl one I have has actual space allowance for that. So we'll see. Shouldn't have to cut it, I don't think. Alright, screws are off. I'll lift it up. Got screws along the sides too. Looks like they actually had spots for them. So we'll take those guys out. Okay. Got all of them out. All the screws out. Got the staple left. And why does the shift boot need to be insulated? I don't know, but... Okay, that's what we're working with. This one I got off eBay, luckily marked where the front and the back is. And it's got notches cut out, so it should be a much cleaner fit. I'll go ahead and add the screws to the side. Fairly sure they were drilled in after the fact, but oh well. Okay. Got it on. Okay. Looking better. Now mine didn't come with this collar here, but my extra one I have does, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out and see if I can get that to work. Okay. So I got that on there, and I'm guessing this collar, yeah, I think the collar fits on there. Now, the new boot came with a zip tie, but sure enough I lost it, so hopefully this little one will do. Otherwise I only had the really long one, so. Okay, so I couldn't get it quite the way I liked it with the zip tie on, so we're going to try it without it. But I already got the passenger side heat hooked back up. I'm going to hook up the driver's side, and we'll just put the collar on like is. It should look pretty good. Okay, clips are in. Time to put the collar on. Okay, so with this OEM CSX, but it's very similar, weighted shifter, it won't fit with this on, so I can only assume this is maybe for the 5-speed. So we took everything back off, almost everything. And yeah, so that's gonna be it. That's gonna be what works. And zip tied it on to make sure it stayed flush. This is going to be it.